Good morning, scholars. All right, so we are here for day 2 in our forensic science kit, and we are working on handwriting analysis. So this week's is going to be really simple. We're not really having an experiment per se, but you are going to have some materials that I want to show you. Number 1, you are going to have just a regular piece of paper, and I'm going to give you a sentence to write. You're going to write it 5 times, and then we are going to use this, which I'm going to give all of you a copy of. Handwriting characteristics, okay? So they have something called the baseline, and it's just giving you some examples of what that means. You are going to look at your handwriting samples of your 5 sentences that you wrote, and you're going to try to circle and find some things that stand out in your writing, unique characteristics, so things that are different, things that you always do in your writing. Maybe you always put a little loop at the end of your S's. Maybe you always cross your T with a little curve or something. Things like that that you do that other people might not do. So that's what you're looking for in your handwriting analysis. Then we are going to move on to this, which everybody is going to get a copy of. So we have a ransom letter right up here for the principal's dog. And down here you have suspect A, B, C, D, and E. You are going to look at their handwriting. I know this is backwards to you, but you're going to look at their handwriting and you're going to compare it to this handwriting and see which suspect you think wrote this. Okay, so you're actually going to be trying to figure out, you're going to write down on your piece of paper, what are some things that you notice that this person does that these suspects do, and try to narrow it down and see which one looks the most like their handwriting. So that's all we're doing for this week, but that is how forensic scientists will look at handwriting, and it helps them solve crimes. So I want you to get a little bit of an example there, a little bit of experience in that. So enjoy.